Good morning students. Myself Rashmi Singh and I am your GK teacher of class 4. You are all welcome in today's class. Today's our topic is Strange World of Animals from chapter number 1 and our book name is Together with General Awareness, and today students we will read page only 5. Students, you see animals around your surroundings. The animals are different to each other. So these type of animals are divided into two categories. First is invertebrates and second is vertebrates. So we will know what type of animals are called invertebrates. Invertebrates are the animals without backbone. These type of animals are without backbone, and vertebrates are the animals with backbone. So students, further we will write some animals name on the blackboard. So children, here I have written some names of invertebrates animals. Okay, first is insects, second worms, third jellyfish, fourth is crabs, and fifth is prawns. Okay, next I will write some other names of vertebrates animals. Okay students, so students, here I have written some names of vertebrate animals. Fish. Where do fish live? Fishes lives in water. And second is amphibians. What type of amphibians are? Amphibians are the animals that live on land and water. Reptiles. Reptiles are the animals they creep on the land. Next is birds. Birds fly in the sky. There are many categories of birds. Last is mammals. Mammals are the animals which reproduce their young ones and they feed their babies. They have fur and hair to keep their bodies warm. So students, there we will discuss about mammals. I have already taught you mammals are the animals which give birth their young ones and they have a fur and hair on your bodies to keep them warm. So the blue whale, here is also mammal. The blue whale is so long that you can make 8 elephants stand on its back. Blue whale is so long that you can make 8 elephants stand on its back. The sound made by blue whale can be louder than the sound of rocket. The sound made by the blue whale can be louder than the sound of a rocket. It means the blue whale sound is very high, like a rocket sound. Okay, next we will read about the animals. Now children, we will describe about fish. Mars skipper is the name of fish. Mars skipper really climbs on a tree with its lag-like face. Mars skipper is a fish that can climb on a tree. Reptiles. Reptiles means, children, I have already taught you reptiles are the animals that are keep on the lands. So there is a special name, a special snake, a mama crocodile. Sorry, snake crocodile. A special crocodile name, a mama crocodile carries its babies in its mouth, but it takes care not to hurt with its extremely sharp teeth. A mama crocodile carries its babies in its mouth, but it doesn't care to hurt with its extremely sharp teeth. Okay students, next we will study about other animals. Birds. The penguins, mostly birds fly in the sky, but here I have given some special name, the penguins. Their wings are too small to fly, but they use them for swimming in the ocean. So penguins also swim in the water. Amphibians. Which animals are called amphibians? The animals which are live both land and water are called amphibians. But here is a special frog, tree frog, can climb trees, and some of them can even glide from one tree to another, jumping from one tree to another. Invertebrates, animals which have backbone. The cicada, the male insect, makes a loud rhythmic sound. Loud rhythmic sounds, it can be heard from a distance of 500 meters. So I will further describe some important facts about animals. Stop. Here is some important facts about some animals. The largest land animal, elephant. The largest bird, ostrich. Dogs are color bright. They are color bright. They cannot see many colors like red, pink, blue, other colors. They see all things in black and white. Last, the baby howler monkey is a champion screamer. Its cries can be heard even through the thick rainforest. So his cries is very loud. So it can be heard through the thick rainforest. Okay students, so today's our chapter is stopped here. I hope you will be understanding very well manner. So please write these facts in your notebook and learn them. So we will meet in next video with next chapter. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.